Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you the process of logging in or signing into your AOL mail from your desktop. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, in order to log into your AOL mail from desktop, first you must open your preferred browser. I'll be using Google Chrome since it's my preferred browser and it's my favorite one. And in the search bar, hit AOL.com and hit enter. It will redirect you to its AOL Mail's home page. On the top right corner of the home page, you can see login/join text, and you need to click there. Let's click there, and after that it will take you to your sign in page, or the page from where you log into AOL Mail or create an account. And let's type in our email address, which we had registered in the AOL Mail at the time of the sign up or creation of our account, and just hit next. Okay, after that type in your password. Hit enter, and it will take you to your AOL Mail in desktop. And in the top left corner you can see something about mail over here. You can, and all your mails will arrive there. That's it, everybody. This is this simple to log into your AOL Mail from desktop. That's it. It's this easy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching.